righty, heading on north up to Santa's Village, we have some really epic construction going on. So we got to meet with the owners of Santa's Village last year with the launch of Yeti Trek, and we got to have some amazing conversations with them, and they were expressing their plans for the park. And it was really cool to just hear what they had planned. We got to talk to maintenance and all that. So this park is a park that has the backing of like every region up in Bracebridge, Muskoka, all that. All those regions are super invested in the development of Santa's Village and making it a tourist destination up north and drawing people up there. So that was really exciting because this is a park that you can tell is going to receive investments and really become that family kid park destination in Ontario. So it's really exciting. The plans we heard were epic. We made a video last year. You guys already know them. If you forget, go watch them. I'll quickly go over, which a big topic of this video will cover the two major plans anyways, so don't worry. But one of them was the former powered launch coaster, themed to Santa's Sleigh, which was removed, is already planning for its replacement. And in our recent flight, which took place on Sunday, they had removed all the footings for that ride, and the land is ready and prepped for whatever they choose to build there next. Now, heading on over to the parking lot, this is the footage of the Santa's Sleigh reindeer, so you can see the ride is taken apart. There's the forms. There's some forms for making new footings, as well as there's the old footings there all ripped up. There's some construction fencing that has arrived right there. So whatever is replacing this ride, it looks like it could start to take shape very soon. Maybe in the off season of Santa's Village this year or late this fall, they'll start construction for the 2027 season. Heading on over to the other big project, we have heard that Santa's Village has been eyeing a water park. Actually, the owners of Santa's Village are huge water park operators. I believe they own 2 or 3 water parks outside of Santa's Village. So it just makes sense that they were looking to build or invest in a water park at Santa's Village. Now, we were told it was going to be located on the southwest side of the park. And this construction is on the south end in the overflow parking lot. Now, it would make sense that they would have 2 separate parks, almost like a water park and then their dry park, so then they can kind of charge 2 separate admissions or have a joint ticket that guests buy. It would really help with the boosting of costs. But so that's the only thing that confuses me because I don't know. I thought that they were, based off of what they said, that they were building the water park on that side of the park. So the only other option of this expansion plot that we're looking at is an expansion of their lodging. So it could be a RV campsite. It could be an extension of the log cabins. But they're definitely building water infrastructure in that area, and a lot of it. But again, that doesn't insinuate that it isn't lodging, because those log cabins do come with water. So it could be that, and the park has been breaking records. So it would make sense that you would expand on your lodging to help grow your revenue. And the way that the land clearing has taken place in here is very camp-like. Like if you go camping in Algonquin, it's kind of set up like that. So there's a good chance that we're going to see an expansion of their lodging over in this plot of land next to their overflow lot in preparation for their next major roller coaster, which will replace the Santa Sleigh roller coaster that we were looking at just up over there. And then down the road, we'll see that water park expansion on the southwest side. Yes, southwest. I had to make that up. Where their current splash pad is, they were looking to build. And I do know that they had previously looked into building some water slides in 2017 through Pro Slide, so that's exciting. But nonetheless, this is a park that is going through a rapid expansion phase, and we're going to get to experience that over the years. And it's really exciting to watch a park like this go from something not too many people, especially in our age group, would seek out to go ride, to suddenly everyone's talking about it because Yeti Trek was such an amazing addition, and the owners are just these two amazing people that are really invested in seeing this park grow. So I'm really excited about it. The owners are absolutely amazing people, and they have a really big vision for this park. They've been touring a lot of European parks to gather inspiration for this park, which is really exciting. It's not every day that you hear a park in Canada or North America garnishing or getting inspiration from European parks versus like North American parks. So definitely really excited to see what they do with that. And you'll have to stay tuned, because I guess starting this off season, we're going to start to see some work on a new roller coaster, perhaps going on at Santa's Village again, which is really exciting because it comes right after Yeti Trek, which was an amazing ride. Thank you so much for watching today's construction update on 2 exciting projects at Santa's Village, and have a good one. Bye.